The Trend Router Carver enables a router to be used to create authentic carvings with ease on any flat timber surface. Using a unique engraving cutter, incorporating a patented guiding system, and a series of templates held by template frames, the Router Carver produces work previously only attainable by the experienced hand carver. At the heart of the system is the patented Router Carver cutter, comprising a 45-degree V-groove cutter housed in an aluminium conical bearing guide. The Router Carver is available in 3 shank diameters, 8mm, 12mm and 1/2 inch. This allows the system to be used with larger routers as well as medium-duty models. The cutter is tungsten carbide tipped for long life. Each of the shank sizes incorporates an adjustment mechanism designed to ensure an optimum depth of cut, even after several resharpenings. Here, with the 1/2 inch shank version, the lock nut is released and the cutter adjusted, so that the tip is flush with the top of the adjustment ring. The lock nut is then tightened to ensure that the exact depth of cut is maintained. To use the Router Carver effectively, the router must have a smooth plunging action. The router is checked by releasing the plunge lock and applying Trend PTFE lubricant if necessary. The cutter is guided on the workpiece by a Router Carver template chosen from the wide range available. A Router Carver frame is clamped or pinned to the workpiece, and a template is inserted for this drawer front design. The templates have a series of shaped slots which vary in width. These guide the cutter horizontally and vertically by making the conical guide rise and fall using the router's plunge mechanism. This creates the varying depth of cut typical of a hand-carved design. With the Router Carver cutter located in the widest part of the slot, the cutter is plunged and guided along the slot's shoulders at a normal hand-routing speed. The first pass along each slot will remove most of the material necessary, and a second pass will clean out the cut. The templates are designed to be used symmetrically, so these are removed a number of times from the frame, rotated and used again. For the more intricate designs, up to 2 or 3 templates are used in this manner. By following the instructions printed on each template, the pattern develops easily, and it takes only minutes to produce even the most complex design. Templates have been developed to suit all traditional furniture and joinery applications, and include designs for panel doors, door rails, kitchen doors, handle surrounds, and corner designs. A range of rosettes is also available, which may be used separately or to complement other Router Carver designs. The frames have apertures precisely cut to hold templates firmly whilst cutting the designs. The rosette templates are easily held on some of the larger frames or with simple battens and don't need a dedicated frame. By selecting individual slots from a variety of templates, or by combining different templates, it's possible to create hundreds of different designs. The Router Carver is now available as a special starter pack. This includes one of the most popular handle surround designs, a frame pack, and a choice of 8mm, 12mm or 1/2 inch shank diameter cutters. Product literature is available which describes the range of templates in full detail, together with the exact dimensions for each Router Carver design. The Trend Router Carver is a revolutionary way to produce wood carvings with a router. It's ideal for those new to routing and also for kitchen fitters, cabinet makers and other craftsmen.